This extremely durable plastic bifold folding table from Flash Furniture is the perfect option when you need a multi-purpose table for home or commercial use. This high-quality folding table is constructed of eco-friendly materials, including a thick granite white top that is impact and stain resistant. The frame is constructed of 18-gauge tubular steel, adding strength and durability. The automatic gravity-based leg locks prevent accidental collapsing, and the non-marring foot caps make this table safe to use on any surface. The bifold feature of this table means that you can store it in half the space, as it folds perfectly into a 3-foot square. When fully extended, this table is 60 inches long and 30 inches wide with a 220-pound static load capacity, so it's the perfect size for any event, and it's durable enough for indoor or outdoor use. Whether you're planning a huge event at a hotel, banquet room, seminar room, or a small gathering at your home, this folding table is the ideal option.
This bifold plastic folding table from Flash Furniture is a great option when you need a temporary seating solution or an everyday workspace in your home or office. The thick granite white tabletop is 6 feet long, 1 3/4 inches thick, and will seat up to 8 adults. The waterproof, impact, and stain-resistant top has a 330-pound static load capacity. It's commercial rated for use as a training table, in banquet halls, and at trade shows. Attractive gray powder-coated legs lock securely in place while in use. Non-marring floor caps protect your floors by sliding smoothly when you need to move it. This durable, easy-to-clean table folds in half, making it easy to store and transport, using the convenient carrying handle attached on the side. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, the granite white plastic folding table is a convenient option for your next home, school, or business event.